Good day. Welcome to the crypto community. And it's been over 24 hours since we launched, and I am going to do my daily update of where everything is with my piggy bank, pig pen, and if I need to compound and go from there. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet, which could be MetaMask right down. You've got all these options, but I'm using MetaMask. And we're going to have a look. When I originally got into the pig pen, I moved all what I had in version 1, which is 15.44. And let's see how we are doing. So after just over 24 hours, I have made $7.32 of BUSD, and pigs, I have accumulated that. So typically they say is compound. So when you compound it back in, it grows the algorithms and it goes back in. So I'm just going to wait an extra day. So I've got about just over $10. That's just me to make it more worthwhile. But as I go over time, it'll end up being a daily exercise. So at the moment, I'm looking at about a 2-day exercise for this. And what I'm really, really excited about is a piggy bank, sorry. And the reason being is this is becoming really, really exciting in what it is doing. So I moved majority of the pig pen, the piggy bank over from V1. I didn't do anything. And this is what I have so far. So in terms of the first one, which is not time locked, right down to the second, 1, 2, 3, and so forth, they are going very, very well. So let's just get this going. So for the first one, I am, because this is not time locked, I'm just going to go in and pretty much compound. And I found a little neat app that was done by one of the guys, and shout out to him, DeFi Buddy. And this gives you exactly, you put in your address and you are able to see exactly when to compound. And at the moment, before I had a few seconds going, but I can actually compound without losing any of my truffle. So it's open, as you can see, to actually do it. So let's just get started. So with the first one, I am going to compound that, pay the gas fees, and let's see how much it increases by. So I've got 71,339, and let's see how many I get. So I'm just going to, before I do that, I'll just get the calculator out. So I got the calculator out. So let's just have a go here. So 71039.61, and let's see how much this $113 in truffles, how many piglets it will give me. So I'm going to confirm that. Compound's done, as we can see in the bottom right left-hand corner, and let's see it move over. Not doing anything. I'm just going to refresh that. Okay, I just had to refresh that, and as you can see now, the balance has now moved to 76,275. So I'm just going to minus that and just find out how many truffles I got. I mean, how many piglets I got. So what? 76275.08. So I got 5,234 piglets in the first one. So one way to do it is we can document this for the first week just to give us a bit of an idea, but I am very sure we've got some smart cookies out there that will be able to break this down for us in terms of how many piglets we get per day, per truffles, etc. So that one's done. I'm going to do the same with the second. Even though it's time locked, it is locked for the period of time, but if you compound it, you are going to increase your max payout. Very, very similar to what we are doing with the drip garden. So as you increase your piglets, you increase your truffles, you increase your payout. So we're going to do that one there. So this one here is same exercise. Going to clear that. Is 12,6529.799 and confirm that. That's done, and I have to refresh this again, I think, because it doesn't seem to be clicking over, which is interesting enough. So let's do this again. So this might be a slight, I know, glitch in the system, why I keep having to reconnect, but I guess I'm getting this in real time now that I'm doing it this way. So as you can see, oh, that's increased quite a bit. So that's another minus 134,303.987. So I got an extra 7,774 truffles. I mean, piglets. And so forth. So I'm going to do that for the others as well. So I've got time lock for this one, and I'm going to compound. It's 110, 111.01. And same thing, just make sure that I've got this right. So you can do it 2 ways. I mean, for me, I'm just doing this exercise just to show that how much we've increased our profit, our piglets by 84,682.132. But as we get the hang of this, obviously we won't be doing this unless you're pretty analytical and you like to know your figures. For me, as long as I know my figures going up, my piglets are going up, and my max payouts going up, I'm happy with that. So refresh that again, because it doesn't seem to click over straight away. Connect wallet. And let's see what my figures are. And that's minus 9,079.708. Geez, that's not too bad considering that I had less piglets in as we grew. So I can't remember the exact numbers. I have to go back and look, but it's not too bad considering that it was significantly less. And the last one is 59. So I'm going to clear that one. 59,634.12, and let's compound that. So even though I've only been here a couple of minutes, the truffles are building up. So that's nice. It's nice to know this is all working seamlessly. So that's 59. So that's done. So confirm that, and wonder if it's just my computer or is generally everyone is doing the same thing. So I go refresh that. So connect wallet again, paste. So let me know if you're having the same issues as I am, because this is painful to do if I have to keep doing this. So far I have got for my last one is so minus 63511.778. That's 3,800. And I know my last one, I didn't get that many many piglets. So that is done. And so now the time is exactly 10 p.m. My time. So I can come back 24 hours and redo this again. And I have now got this to help me as well. So as you can see, the countdowns happen with all these. So exactly 24 hours, I can come in and compound it. And what's great about this is actually this gives you exactly where everything is. So the amount of truffles per piglet, oh, it's already given me here. So I don't even need to do that. So available at the moment, I've got 10, 12, 5, and 1. So this is unlocked. I know I've locked these ones. So I've got all that I have needed. So that one's done. Pretty much all good, as mentioned. Really loving this at the moment because it's simple. Once a day, or come in. I would actually key it in with this just to make sure that the available after the 23 hours, pretty much long after, and compound. So I've set my timer for 10 p.m. my time. So 10:01 come in, or 10 p.m. exactly come in and be able to do it again. And that's it. Any questions? Yeah, I had the question which was asked, why should we compound or if it's time locked? And what I got back is yes, compound it. And once it matures, the amount of truffles that you'll be getting coming out will be significantly more than what you have now. So after, for instance, 180 days, what I would have now is adding 3% on top of it over the 180 days, plus the time bonus that I've got with this as well, which I believe, what's 180 days divided by 2? Well, I think it was 180 divided by 7, So that was 26 weeks. So that's my half a year. So I'm getting an extra 26 weeks, 386% over and above the 3% compounding over and above that. So just know that the 1 day compounding will help with the increases of the truffles and increase of the max payout. Very similar to what we've got with the drip. And yeah, looking forward to it all growing. So I'm going to keep journaling my journey with this. And if you guys got similar experiences or got anything that you want to ask me, put it into comments below. If you want to join my team, feel free to actually click on my link below as well. Happy to have you. Okay, now we're looking at the second account that I also at launch, but didn't finish the transaction till halfway in the day because it was just heavy traffic. So I'm just going to connect that wallet into the MetaMask and see where we're at with it. So now that's connected. So this is the one where we didn't time lock it, and so far it's made 967 in truffles. So I'm just going to look at the DeFi thing and just see. So I've got 34 seconds until 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to get as close as to the truffle time as possible, because then you don't lose out on the piglets. I mean, you want to get as close to the piglet time as possible because you don't want to lose too much. Done. So next one is in 4 minutes, so that's fine. So I'm just going to action compound that. So it was 89.74. Let's see how much more we get. So clear that. So 89.74.089 minus, let's see, successful. And I have to refresh it. Some reason it doesn't like to. I know, are you guys having the same issue as I am, where every time I do I have to refresh it and connect back in? So that's 94.20, lost the truffle, moved over, the truffles are gone. So the difference is 9420.266. That's 446 piglets in the space of just over 24 hours. So that is pretty exciting. The price of, according to this, and I don't know how accurate these are at this very moment, but piglets, in terms of pricing, the value of the piglets are over this corner, piglets to buy and sell. So at the moment, piglets are 2 cents, 2.59, 0.0259 to buy and 0.0217 to sell. So let's see how accurate that is. We are getting a lot more piglets in comparison to what we did in version 1. So just basing off that. So that one's done. This is actually becoming very, very handy because as you can see here, I can wait for the next piglet is available in X amount of time. And the time for piglets is 4 minutes and 35 seconds. So each 4 minutes 35, I will get 1 piglet. But as the more that I'm compounding every 24 hours, this timer will obviously reduce down as well. So you can only compound once a day and just make sure you mark it. So I did this around 10:55 p.m. And yeah, we'll see how we go, but looking good. Pretty excited with what's going on. And yeah, and the thing is, this is just 3% a day. There's no time lock on this one. So what I might do is after 7 days, I may, the 7th or 6th or 7th day, I may pull it out and put it into locking. So it capitalizes on the bonuses. And yeah, I've got nothing really to lose other than, yeah, making the most out of the piglets. And from what I'm hearing from everyone else and the way this is going is there's a lot of noise out there. 217, it has been predicted to go up to $1,000. So if this goes up to $1,000, we're going to be very, very happy campers with the way everything's going. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash the bell button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below. If you like what I'm doing and you want to join my team, feel free. My links are below as well. And more than happy to have you on my team. Until the next video, have a great day, be blessed, and thank you.